Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events planned for today is March 21st, Tuesday, and we have Japanese bank holiday. At 6 AM we have medium impact news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. At 3:30 PM we have medium impact news planned for euro related currency pairs. Then at 6 PM we have high impact news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. Then at 7:30 PM we have medium impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us look at the price action in gold. I'm in daily time frame now, and in daily time frame I've already drawn the resistance line and the support line, and currently we are noticing the price action to respect this resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement, because we have noticed a price action to make a double bottom pattern, which means that we can expect little bit of retracement. And if the bearish side retracement continues also, we can expect it to retrace up to this midline of this bullish channel pattern, because we have noticed a price action to respect this midline in the past. So we can expect it to respect this midline in the future price action also, and to act as a support for the future price action. And if the price action bridges this midline, we can expect it to take support on the support line of the bullish channel pattern, because all this area will be acting as a very strong support zone. And this is also the next level of the double bottom pattern, and as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect a bullish trend to continue in daily time frame also. And when we look for the resistance and support levels, I've used the Fibonacci's extension tool, and here we have noticed a price action to move up to the level of 20.06 and then to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. If the bearish side retracement continues also, next level of support is going to be around 0.786 level, which is going to be around 1921, and only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect it to take support around the 0.618%, which is going to be around 1855, and next level of support is going to be around 0.5%, which is going to be around 1809. This whole zone is going to be acting as a very strong support zone when the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement. And only when the price action breaks this support level of 1809, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in daily time frame. So for now, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 20.07 and support level of 19.23. And if the price action breaches this resistance level of 20.07 and continues its bullish side retracement, next level of resistance is going to be around 21.13. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 19.23, next level of support is going to be around 18.56, 18.09, 17.64, 17.06 and 16.16. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame, I'm drawing a trend line or a support line to make it easier for us to understand the current trend of the price action for the 4 hours time frame. And for now, the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend, as long as it is trading above this trend line or the support line. And in the past, we have noticed this level of 1923 to be acting as a very strong support. So if the bearish side retracement continues also, we can expect it to again take support and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to continue its bearish side retracement. I would request you to wait for the price action to make some sort of chart pattern in order to take a trade against the current trend. I am expecting a head and shoulder pattern or a double top pattern to be made before making a bearish side retracement. But still, any fall on the bearish side will be considered only as a retracement. It is not a trend reversal on the bearish side, as long as it is trading within this bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame, I'm already getting a confirmation on the head and shoulder pattern. Currently, this level of 1885 or 1890 is acting as a very strong resistance. As long as the price action is trading below this resistance level, we can expect the bearish side retracement to continue. First level of support is going to be the trend line or the support line from the 4 hours time frame, and once the price action breaks the support line, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish side retracement. And next level of support is going to be the daily time frame support level of 1921. So currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1980 and support level of 1962. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1962, next level of support is going to be around 1948, 1933, 1913 and 1887. Here we have the trend line or support line. Wait for the price action to break this support line in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade in hourly time frame. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 2009, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action for 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and for the 30 minutes time frame, I'm drawing a trend line or a resistance line. And we are noticing the price action to respect this resistance line and to trend on the bearish side retracement in 30 minutes time frame. And the trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame is on a bearish trend for now. Wait for the price action to break this trend line if you want to take trades on the bullish side bounce back in 30 minutes time frame. And if the bearish side retracement continues, the next level of support is going to be the 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1973 and resistance level of 1984. If the bearish side retracement continues, breaking this support level of 1973, next level of support is going to be around 1967, 1962, 1957, 1949 and 1940. And if the price action bounces back from the support level of 1973 on the bullish side retracement, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1984, 1994 and 2006. This level of 1967 is going to be acting as a very strong support for the 30 minutes time frame. Once the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also, because this will be acting as a next level of the head and shoulder pattern. Let us look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame. So currently we are noticing the price action in 15 minutes time frame to be trading within this rectangle pattern, trading on a sideways price action. Wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side from this consolidation, based on which you can take a directional trade in 15 minutes time frame. And if the bullish side bounce back starts, the immediate resistance is going to be around 1982, 1987, 1993, 1999 and 2009. And on the bearish side, if the price action continues its bearish side retracement, the immediate support is going to be around 1975 and 1965. And please refer the 30 minutes time frame support levels for the bearish side targets. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.